Hey guys, it's Cicely. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a herbal DIY hair growth oil that I've been using for months and months now. It's been growing my hair so super fast. I'll post a before and after picture if I can find a good one, but it has great ingredients. It's super simple, and let's get into it. So the base of this hair growth oil are these herbs right here: rosemary, chamomile, and green tea. You gotta have it for your hair growth oil, period. And I'll share with you guys a few benefits of each herb and why I chose to use it. So I chose rosemary herb because one of its main benefits is it promotes hair growth, it strengthens circulation, it prevents premature graying, and it prevents dandruff. And I did a lot of research to find out what's the best herbs and oils and stuff for low porosity hair, and that was one of them. For those that do not know, it's really hard with low porosity hair for certain oils to really penetrate into our hair shafts. Rosemary just also helps to open up your hair follicles so your hair can really be hydrated, and the oils can, deeply get into your strands and make your hair much more healthy and much more manageable. Okay, so now to the benefits of chamomile. Chamomile really helps to alleviate itchy excuse me. Okay, retake. Chamomile helps to alleviate itchy, dry scalp. It promotes healthy hair. It promotes shinier hair, and it's anti-inflammatory. And I can account for that part. I feel like that's why after I use this oil, my scalp feels so much more calm and refreshed. And also, I'm not measuring anything out. You literally can put as little or as much as you want. It's just all about getting the benefits once we add the oil and everything sits and mix all together and everything. Green tea, it helps to fight dryness and dandruff. It's rich in cathogens, and it reduces DTH. And DTH is basically the hormone that makes you lose hair, so it helps to induce that, which makes your hair fuller, longer, healthier, and just all around a great herb. Okay, so now I'm just adding some more rosemary and chamomile herbs, just being extra. You literally do not have to add more if you don't want to, but now we're going to add all of our oils into this. Now the oils that I've chose are oils that mainly the benefits are hair growth, as well as they're really good for low porosity hair, which will work great for high porosity hair as well, since high porosity hair drinks up oils and stuff very easily. So it'll work great for both, but since low porosity hair is so hard for our oils and stuff to really penetrate, I wanted to make sure I focused on that. So I didn't measure any of these oils out. You can put as much as you want, as little as you want, or you can switch some out. If there's an oil that I put in mind that you don't like, just take it out, switch for a different oil you like, or you don't have to do as many oils as I did, period. I literally was so extra just putting all these oils. I just wanted a really good combination to really help with the thickness of my hair and for my hair to just really grow and be really healthy. But those that's been watching my channel for a while, y'all know I love my black Jamaican castor oil. I didn't have that much left over. So I would have added way more black Jamaican castor oil, because we all know black Jamaican castor oil is bomb for hair growth. But yeah, so I'll list down in the description box some of the benefits of each oil, and as well as you can research some yourself on Google, and yeah. So I added this lemon and mint essential oil to my oil just so it can smell really good. This is actually for your diffuser, but it's just a natural essential oil, so it was perfectly fine. It just helped it to smell really fresh and clean. It just gave it a really good smell. But then once you're done, you just want to mix everything up really well, and then just heat up some water in the microwave for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then you want to set your herbs and oil and stuff in the water and just let everything sit just like you would some tea for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm just going to get my mixture and I'm going to put it in a dark cabinet, and I let mine sit overnight. You can let it sit a week if you want to. It's pretty much up to you. I was just so ready to use my oil. So I just let it sit overnight so everything could really, marinate really nicely. And then you want to get another mason jar or cup or whatever, and then just drain your oil with a strainer to get all the herbs and stuff out of it, because of course you don't want that in your head. But yeah, so just drain that out, and then I'm going to drain it back into the mason jar that I had it in, just so it could catch even more of, the little herb pieces and stuff. So that is literally it. You just made your own DIY herbal hair growth oil. It was super fun, super quick and simple, and it's way more affordable. Like, I just love making my own little DIY stuff. You get way more and it's way cheaper. Let's save them coins. Everyone is staying healthy and safe out here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if you tried this hair growth oil out, or let me know what is your favorite hair growth oil. I would love to know. Please subscribe, turn on your notifications so you'll never miss any of my uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.